for schools that do rolling admission, I think it ups the ante, so to speak, on making sure you're in good communication with those schools in terms of, especially in terms of the timing. So usually what schools try to do is they still may have a general deadline or a general date to target, but still are able to make admissions and awarding decisions even after that date on a more flexible basis. So rolling admissions doesn't quite mean you can do whatever you want whenever you want, but it does mean that the deadlines that are given are not as fixed as in other schools who don't do rolling admissions. And so there, what I would say is, I know generally for schools that have rolling admissions, especially once their initial wave of award notifications are out and they're still accepting and making admissions decisions throughout, I think they tend to try to, from a financial aid perspective, you can still submit a financial aid application after a period of time or after a particular deadline date. But I think they try to sort of expedite sort of how quickly they will be able to review that material and get a decision back out to you. Usually I think schools try to go for about 2 weeks or so in order to make sure that, again, if they're admitting you on a rolling basis, that within 2 weeks of getting your financial aid information, they can still make a financial aid decision and roll that into or roll that out with your admissions decision along the way.